Welcome, my dear friends, to a tale of love, growth, and the deep bond between a tree and her baby tree. This story begins in a quaint forest where a wise and beautiful tree named Willow stood tall and proud. She had been blessed with a loving heart and a desire to nurture life around her. Willow had witnessed countless seasons come and go, offering shelter, shade, and comfort to the creatures of the forest. But deep within her branches, she yearned for a companion, someone who would carry on her legacy and spread love through their shared roots. And so, one bright spring morning, Willow's wish came true. A small and delicate sapling emerged from the fertile soil near her trunk, her very own baby tree. The little one was filled with innocence and curiosity, just like any newborn. Willow showered her young sapling with tender care and wisdom, teaching her about the world and the harmony of nature. The baby tree marveled at her mother's vast knowledge and loving presence. All the days turned into months and the months into years. The bond between Willow and her baby tree blossomed like a vibrant flower. The little one, now not so little, grew stronger, spreading her branches alongside Willow's, reaching for the sky. The forest thrived with life, thanks to Willow's unwavering love and her baby tree's vibrant spirit. Birds nested in their branches, squirrels frolicked around, and the flowers bloomed with delight. The forest became a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Willow and her baby tree stood tall, whispering secrets to the wind and sharing stories with the creatures of the forest. The sapling had become a guardian of nature, inspired by the strength and wisdom her mother had bestowed upon her. But as life would have it, storms and challenges sometimes come to test our resilience. One fateful night, a fierce storm struck the forest, threatening to uproot everything in its path. Willow and her baby tree held on to each other tightly, weathering the tempest with unwavering determination. Their bond grew even stronger amidst the chaos, proving that love and unity can withstand the strongest of storms. With the storm finally subsiding, the forest emerged even more resilient than before. Willow and her baby tree, still standing tall, wore scars of battle but radiated strength and love. Years passed, and Willow's journey neared its end. She had fulfilled her purpose, leaving behind a legacy of love and unity. But in her place, her baby tree had become a wise and nurturing mother herself, carrying forward the lessons and the spirit of her beloved mother. Willow, with a heart full of contentment, whispered her last words to her baby tree, ensuring that her spirit would live on forever in the forest they both called home. And so, my dear friends, the story of Willow and her baby tree comes to an end, but the love they shared, the harmony they cultivated, and the spirit they embodied continue to thrive in the heart of the forest, reminding us that love, care, and unity can make the world a beautiful place. May we all learn from Willow and her baby tree, embracing the power of love and nurturing the seeds of kindness wherever we go. For in the embrace of nature's love, we find the true essence of life itself.